In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear DuckDuckGo history. This is a quick way to tidy up your browsing trail, protect your privacy on a shared device, and remove distractions from past sessions. We'll keep it simple and straightforward so you can follow along easily. First, open the DuckDuckGo browser. This means launching the actual DuckDuckGo app on your phone or the DuckDuckGo browser on your computer, not just visiting the DuckDuckGo website from another browser. If you're unsure, check the app icon on mobile or the browser name on desktop. It's also a good idea to make sure the browser is up to date, so the menus and labels look familiar. Once it's open, you don't need to be on any specific page. The home screen or any tab will do. Next, go to History and choose Delete All History. The History option is typically found in the main menu. On desktop, look for History in the menu bar or in the 3-line or 3-dot menu depending on your system. On mobile, tap the menu icon and select History. Inside the History screen, you should see an option labeled Delete All History. Tap or click that. You may see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm. In some versions, the phrasing might be clear history or clear browsing data, but you're looking for the option that removes all recorded visits. After you confirm, the browser will erase your list of visited sites. You'll know it worked when the history page appears empty or shows no recent items. A few notes to set expectations. Clearing history removes the record of pages you visited and can also remove cached files and cookies depending on your settings. That means you might be signed out of websites afterward. It does not delete your bookmarks or saved favorites, and it only affects the device you're using, not any other devices. This action can't be undone, so if there's a page you want to revisit later, consider bookmarking it before clearing. If you don't immediately see a history button, look for a clock icon or check the browser menu. The exact placement can vary slightly by platform, but it will be there. Once you've deleted everything, browse as usual with a clean slate. That's it. Open the DuckDuckGo browser, then go to History and select Delete All History. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, keep this process in mind whenever you want a quick privacy reset.